Hi everybody, in this video let's look at some questions from your Form 4 at Math Chapter 9 Solution of Triangle. This question is taken from SPM 2021 Paper 2 Section C. Okay, now let's look at this question. Diagram 6 shows a quadrilateral and point E is the intersection point of straight line AC and BD. It is given that the area of the triangle ABC is equal to the area of triangle BCD. So ABC, this triangle, and this triangle BCD. These two triangles having the same area, and given by the question, AE is equal to 4 centimeter. A to E 4 centimeters, and angle ABC, which is here, is equal to 143 degree. And angle BCD is an obtuse angle, means that this angle is an obtuse angle which is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Okay, now let's look at part A. We want to calculate the angle of BCD. Given by the questions, these two triangles having the same area. So I'm going to use this information to help me to form an equation, and we will be able to get the angle of BCD. Okay, try to think, how do we get the area of this triangle BCD? 1/2 times 3 times 3.6 times size of this angle, right? Size of angle BCD. Okay, this is a way how do we get the area of this triangle. And given by the question, the area of this triangle, which means this one, is actually the same with the area of this another triangle. So how do we find the area of this triangle ABC? Using the same formula. Oh, sorry. Okay, so 1/2 times 2.8 times 3 times size of this angle. 2.8 times 3 times sine of angle 143 degree. Okay, so just use your calculator, press this one first. 1/2 times 3 times 3.6, you will get 5.4. 5.4 times sine angle BCD. Okay, do the same thing for this part. You can just straight away press all the whole thing and press equal. 1/2 times 2.8 times 3 times sine 143. Okay, so the answer is here is 2.52. 2.52. Okay, I take 4 decimal places. Okay, so now sine angle BCD is equal to this divided by this, 2.5276 divided by 5.4. You will get 0.4681. And how do we get the angle of BCD? We want to find the sine inverse of 0.4681. Okay, this one you have to be more careful. Now use a calculator. You can type this way, shift and then sine 0.4681. Hit enter. Hit equal. Okay, this is not the answer that we are looking for, because when you look at the diagram, you know this is not possible. This is an obtuse angle, right? And this is an acute angle. So how do we get this angle? You have to take 180 degree minus the answer that we got just now. Okay, this is the answer, 152.09. Okay, this is the answer of part A1. Okay, once we have got the answers, I would suggest you to write down label on the diagram. Maybe you need to use it later. Okay, this is 152.09 degree. Second part, we want to find the length of CE. CE means here. Okay, now you look at this triangle, A, B, C. Look at this triangle. We can actually use cosine rules to help us to get AC, right? After we get the AC, we take the length of AC minus AE. Then we will be able to get the length of CE. Okay, let me find AC first. So this one, I'm going to use a cosine rules. AC square is equal to AB square, which is 2.8 square, plus BC square, 3 square, minus 2 times 2.8 times 3 times cosine angle 143. Okay, so to get the length of AC, you press this whole thing and you square it. Okay, 2.8 square plus 3 square minus 2 times 2.8 times 3 times cosine 143. Okay, and then square it, you will get, okay, I just round off the answer to 4 significant figures. It will be 5.501 centimeter. Okay, so can you get CE? No problem, right? CE is equal to 5.501 minus 4, which is equal to 1.501 centimeter. Okay, so CE is 1.501 centimeter. Let me label on the diagram. So here, this one, 1.501 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer for part 2. Now let's proceed to the part 3. We want to find the length of BE. Okay, now you focus on this triangle BCE. So can I use cosine rules to help me to get the length of BE? We have a problem is we don't have this angle. If we have this angle, we can say that BE square is equal to 3 square plus 1.501 square minus 2 times this times cosine of this. And then we square root the whole thing as we did just now, then we will be able to get the length of BE, right? But now we have a problem is we don't have this angle. So we need to find out this angle. Now look at this whole triangle. Now let's look at this larger triangle. Is that a way for us to get this angle BCA? Yes, right? We can use sine rules. Sine this angle divided by this is equal to sine this angle divided by this whole thing. Okay? So sine angle ACB divided by opposite side will be 2.8 is equal to sine 143 divided by opposite side will be this whole thing, which is 5.501. Okay, sine angle ACB is equal to this times 2.8. Just press your calculator. Sine 143 divided by 5.501 and times 2.8. Okay, I just round off into 4 significant figures, 0.3063. And angle ACB is equal to sine inverse of this, 0.3063. Okay, the angle is 17.84 degree. Now I got the angle here, which is 17.84 degree. Okay, so now can we get the length here? No problem, right? We just use cosine rule as what we did just now to help us to get the length of BE. Okay, BE square is equal to 3 square plus 1.501 square minus 2 times 3 times 1.501 times cosine of this angle, 17.84 degree. Okay, press your calculator this whole thing and then you square root it. Then you will be able to get the length of BE. Okay, 3 square plus 1.501 square minus 2 times 3 times 1.501 times cosine 17.84 degree. Okay, and then square root it. You will get 1.637 centimeter. Okay, this is, let me label it over here, 1.637 centimeter. This is the answer for part 3. Okay, now let's go to part B. Sketch a triangle. This is A prime, B prime, C prime. Okay, this is ambiguous case, which has a different shape from triangle ABC. Okay, let me move it down here. Easier for you to see the triangle. Okay, now we have another triangle. Now we just focus on ABC. We have another triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Has a different shape from the triangle ABC such that, okay, A prime, C prime is equal to AC. Okay, let me erase this one first. Okay, this one cannot be erased. Okay, go back this one. Now, the length of AC need to be fixed. We cannot change the length of AC. A prime, C prime is equal to AC. B prime, C prime is equal to BC. And the triangle B prime, A prime, C prime is equal to BAC. This means that this triangle, this angle, we cannot change it. We cannot change the size of this angle. Okay, you will notice that one of the length is not given. A prime, C prime is equal to AC. This means that we cannot change the length of this one. Okay, let me use another color. The length here we cannot change. And B prime, C prime is equal to BC. The length here we cannot change also. But the length of AB we can change it, right? So now you have to think, how do I change the shape of this triangle so that AC is still the same length, BC is still the same length, and this angle is still the same. Okay, so normally we just look for the shorter side. This will be shorter, right? So we are going to move this side. So how do we draw another triangle? Here, from here, okay, let me draw it this way. Here. Okay. The triangle that you need to draw is like this. These and these same length. And the AC you need to not AC, sorry, AB, you need to extend it. So what you need to draw is this triangle. You need to draw this triangle. Okay, now let's go back to the questions. AB, this is A prime, C prime, same as AC, right? Okay, this one no problem. B prime, C prime is equal to BC, yes. This length and this length the same, no problem. And the angle B prime, A prime, C prime, B prime, A prime, C prime is the same as BAC, yes, correct. So this is a triangle that we need to draw, okay? Now, let us go to the last one. Hence state the size of the angle A prime, B prime, C prime. So A prime, B prime, this is B prime. Okay, for this question, right, you need to redraw the triangle. You cannot just draw on here. You need to draw this triangle for this B1. Okay, state the size of this triangle of the angle A prime, B prime, C prime, which is over here. This is B prime. This is B prime. So how do we get the angle here? So since these two having the same length, the angle here and the angle here are actually the same, right? So angle A prime, B prime, C prime is equal to 180 minus 143. Okay, the answer is 37 degrees. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.